All right, guys. Back at it again. Let's see what we do today. Give me 1 second, fellas, to get back in. Looking at some. I'm looking at NQs right now. But all right, let's see what we got today, guys. Wait till it gets to its top. Thanks for the follow. All right, let's see what we do today, guys. What I'm seeing right now is so this trend line is not valid anymore, guys. Um, so I would think what I want to do is see what happens at this resistance right here. I see an area at 484.93, 484.93, 485.17, 483.93. That's on the cues, guys. Ooh, yeah, we have all the way up to 494.22. All the way up to 494.22, guys. So I'm not even going to go short. Trend plan trader, what's going on? See if we can see if there's any kind of reversal here. I'm gonna go ahead and I made 1,688 with 50 cents last night, guys. So let's see what we do today. This is MNQs. This is MNQs, guys. So let's see what we do. See if we can come back down to that 7. Looks like we can come up to 490, 492, 46. I don't know. Let's just see what happens, guys. We'll go ahead and take that off just in case. I'm just gonna wait, guys. We got 2 minutes, fellas. We got 2 minutes. See what happens in 2 minutes. See where this thing goes. I would like for it to come back down here. See what happens, fellas. I'm gonna wait for that top side, guys, and see if I can catch a short somewhere. I'm not gonna do anything right now. I just want to wait and see what happens when market opens. So market is about to be open in 25 seconds. All right, market is open, guys. Let's see what happens in the first 10 minutes, or actually in the first five. I want to see what happens in the first five. If I see any kind of reversal to the downside, I might just take it. Um, we just gotta wait for this to go down below zero. We might just get a nice bounce up, a second leg up. But if we do get a second leg up, then I will be entering at the top of its zone. So we just gotta wait and see. These first 5 minutes are crucial, guys. Let's see what happened with this MACD right here. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait till stochastics cross over. I'm gonna wait till stochastics cross over, guys. Once I see a crossover on the 1 minute, then I'll get into a long position. I'm just gonna wait for right now. I'm gonna wait till the stochastics crossover, guys. Come on, keep dropping. I want it to go to 201.3410. All the way down here, guys. 201, 134. 201, 134 right here. 10. I want it to go right there. But let's see if we can get it down here. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna make any sudden movements just because I can still see this thing go up, come back up, guys. So it's the 5 minute. Let's check the 3. If I see any reversal on stochastics, I will be entering, guys. So just let's see if we can try to get quick scalps, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm just waiting for a reversal on the stochastics, guys. That's what I'm watching right now. A reversal on the stochastics. So see if we can get another little push down and then get into a long position. It's not happening yet, guys. It's not happening just yet. I don't think so. Stochastics just crossed over again. The MACD is still pointing down, so if we do come back down, I want to see it come back down from here. I want to put a sell limit up here. I'll get into a long position, not right now. I'll get into a long position. I don't know. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. All right, my homie's on here. Let's see. Give me 1 second, fellas. I'm just gonna leave that position. I gotta get my buddy in here real quick. Give me 1 second, fellas. Let me see if I can all right, go to here. Give me 1 second, Q. I'll get you right here in a minute. There we go. Got you. I got you, man. All right, you should have it now. You should have it now. Hector, what's going on, brother? I see you. Man, Hector's getting it, man. Every day he's on here. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me see what's going on. What's going on, brother? Can you hear me? Awesome. Sounds good. Sounds good. Hell yeah, man. I'm doing good. I'm doing good, man. Just you know, just analyzing this stuff. I still see it coming back down a little bit more on the MNQ, NQ. I can see it going down to 201 7626. But but yeah, man. How was your day yesterday? What'd you do? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right. How'd it go? Is it? Look, this guy is telling me long now, don't miss the next leg up. If I would have gotten into a long that right or oh, if I would have gotten into a long where you told me to, I would have, and I had a really small account, I would have I would have already gotten out of this trade. I don't know why. I just don't know why people just tell people what to do, man. It's just I really don't. He said his audio is kind of bad. I don't know. No, I think your audio, but I don't know. I can hear you. I can hear you just fine. I don't think they can hear you fairly well. I don't know. But let's see what we do today, man. I'm already up 1,697 as of last night. Um, the guest audio is going in and out. Alrighty, roger that. He'll be back, guys. He'll be back. Let's see what we do today, guys. I'm seeing this coming back. I want it to come back down here, and but if we do get that next leg up, I'll be looking for shorts. All right. Can you hear me? Yep. Let's see. Let's look at the I'm looking at the 15, man. Everything's already like the Stochastics is already above. I mean, it's already above 80. I want to see a reversal to the downside. That's what I want to see today. We already below zero. Stochastics are reversing back. If we get a bounce off the I don't know what line that is, but it's just a line. It's just giving me the what is a smooth color? So the the D, I really don't know what the D represents, but I want the K to hit the D and see if we can get a bounce off of that to the upside. If I see that it bounces off the D on the Stochastics, then I will be getting into a long position, but right now I'm not. I'm just gonna hold and just wait. Still spotty audio. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, Maya. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on with that. We're just gonna have to check it out sometime later. Oh, that's right. That's right. Internet. Is an internet issue. So yeah. Bouncing. What the heck? This guy. Hey man, it says Pokemon Trainer Black said bouncing off the D. Hey yo, pause. What the heck, man? That's not what I'm talking about. Yeah, possibly. Let's see if I do get flagged. But the Stochastics do have a K. I don't know what they represent. I need to look that up. But I'm still watching closely, guys, to the Stochastics right now because I don't care about anything else. Not even the MACD. Um, yeah, we can't get that next leg up, but I want to look for shorts today. So, and I'm still seeing that we can still come back down all the way down here, guys. All the way down here. We can come back down here. So I'm gonna wait. Once the Stochastics cross over one more time, guys, I'm getting in. I'm going to get in, guys. Short position. Short position, fellas. Yeah, man, I didn't do nothing, bro. I was supposed to take the car over to the shop and go get it inspected and stuff, but it seems like when I went to go and figure out why my horn doesn't work, well, I took long time ago, maybe like a year ago, I took off the horn, the actual horn from the car and I placed it somewhere and I don't know where it's at. And I was trying to like push the horn button and it just won't work and I looked, man, it was not even there. So I went to Harbor Freight and bought some horns and Fair Value Gap. Whatever horn they gave me, the super something, I don't know what it was. But I do want to get that one for the Miata, man. That'd be cool. Yeah. Oh, geez, that would be crazy, man. But if I do, damn, man, I lost my thought. Um, yeah, so I wanted to have it put on, but the problem is I have a aftermarket steering wheel. Um, and I don't even know if I put those right. Like I may have cut the airbag and placed it as the horn. I don't know, so I have to redo it again. There's supposed to be like you're supposed to cut a wire at the steering wheel on the Miata and hook it up because it's the wire for the horn, and you're supposed to use the one of the plugins for it. Uh, so that way you can still keep that what do you call it? The thing that turn yeah. So that way you can keep that in, and I did that, man, and I guess I didn't either I forgot or I just didn't read up on the diagram, see which one I actually cut. All right, see, fellas. All right, guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna wait until Sarcastics cross over, and then I'm gonna come back down to here, guys. I'm looking for shorts all the way down to this wick, but it's not. It's just that the Sarcastics to MACDs are so delayed, guys. I can't tell. We got 20 seconds to in order for us to figure out where it's gonna go. So it's kind of like one of those things that you had to anticipate. Um, where it's going to cross over. And that's kind of hard. So usually a lot of people, whenever they get into these, they get into the candle next over instead of this one. All right, now we have the crossover, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get in into a short position. Um, it might come all the way up here, guys, but I'll just stay in here. But yeah, man, that's what's going on with me, man, and the what do you call it? Oh, the Subaru. I'm gonna do with which one? Which one? I got the black one, the '04 or the '09? The '04 needs an engine. I need to replace the engine because I think I've blown a rod and yeah, man, I slapped a new Turbonetics. I forgot what size it was, but it was pretty big, man, and I guess I don't know. Um, never had a problem before, going into boost, but this one, man, it just got to it. It did. It did. I should have gotten up here, guys. You can set a stop loss all the way up here, but do what? Yeah, yeah, I traded last night, man, just for a little bit and I didn't do anything this morning. I just waited, because I woke up like at 9 something. So, oh, I was up yesterday 3 grand, 3K. That's the one you were talking about, yeah. And then last night, so I'm up 5,026, yeah, 5,000. Yeah, I should have just stayed. Look at this big run, man. It happened. What time did it happen at 8 o'clock this morning, man. I should have gotten up at 8 o'clock. Oh yeah. We got about 8 seconds before the next. See what happens with the MACDs and the Sarcastics guys. If they start flipping over, then I'll get out. Or not get out, but I'll make a all right. So it looks like we're still in the same spot, guys. I'm gonna enter a secondary position all the way. If we do come up, I'm gonna enter it away all the way up here for some shorts, guys. And try to see if we can get that next leg down. But yeah, man. Let's see. What are you doing this weekend, brother? You got any plans?
I'll probably start tearing into that Honda.
Gotcha. What kind of Honda is it?
It's just a later Accord,
I gotcha.
four-cylinder, five-speed,
Yeah.
but it's got 133,000 on it, so not not much really.
Yeah.
It's pretty cherry.
It's already broken into.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's crispy.
Yeah.
You know, the guy wasn't a car guy. He just drew back and forth to the fire department in it, so it's not get beat on or anything like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it runs good for what it is. Heavy.
Oh yeah, man.
So yeah, I'll start working on that. Detail the inside probably, and start ordering pieces that I need.
Yeah, I gotta fix that Miata, man. I gotta get it done. I forgot I need to order some suede for it for the door panels and then I need to get some I wish they sold those what is it called? The dent repair kit, the
Yeah, suction cups and stuff.
not the suction the other one, the one that has the tip on it and then you push it up and stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
The ones with the bars.
Yeah, the bars. There we go. The ones with the
Yeah,
bars. I need to get those, man.
a professional hit removal kit.
Yeah, yeah, I need to get one of those, man, because I need to get this thing ready. It gives me about 10 pounds of boost right now. I want more, but every time I push it, man, like the gas cuts off, you know? That's how the tuner set it up. I don't want that. I want the wastegate to be open, and at least catch a little bit more air or um more
So
power.
so it's getting fuel starved every time it goes boost.
Well, no, it's doing that after I hit a certain point,
Gotcha.
you know?
It's a cut.
Yeah,
Steady cut.
yeah, yeah. It's yeah.
And you still bent a rod?
No, 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 no. That was in the Subaru. This is
That was the Miata.
yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So you're trying to blow up the Miata engine too?
No. Well, not really. Well, I'm not. I'm trying to sell it, but
Okay,
what I'm
pretty
trying
much
to
what.
do is I want to make it to where, you know, with all the stuff that I put on, I want to make it to where, like it's going to have a body kit and stuff like that. It needs to have the power that it's representing, you
Right.
know.
Don't want to be a poser, man.
I'm just a ricer here, man. I'm a ricer.
Yeah, I guess that's the right, sir. Turbo Miata. I got five Japanese meeples downstairs, man. So I'm with
All right, guys, let's see what we do.
you. 74 dollars on Amazon.
Yeah,
30 piece kit.
I know, but if you get it off of Temu,
Yeah.
well, you already know how it's overpriced and overmarketed on just regular sites, eBay, Amazon,
Yep.
33 bucks and stuff like that. Go to Temu, get it for 10 bucks. Same kit, you know.
It is true. I
Y-
bought some motocross skills from them for dirt cheap.
Yeah. It's better to look elsewhere first and then, look for things that you can't really find, you know. I
Yeah.
mean, you might have to
I'll
wait a little bit, but that's what I do, man. I'm not going to sit here and buy, um, you know,
spend more on Amazon to get it faster.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not going to do that, man. When I can just wait and it's still the same quality, they because these people they get it from the same manufacturers, they get it from the same places and stuff like that, and then what they do is they take that product and then they triple, quadruple the price on it. That's
Yep.
crazy, man. And people are willing to pay that. Well, that's because they have money. Yeah, fuck that. I mean,
Well, they either don't know, don't care, because they have the things. Like you said, I'm trying to pitch things out.
yeah.
If I was a millionaire, I thought I'd still be.
If I was a millionaire, I would be like, man, how much is this gonna cost?
Yeah.
Like I would definitely be on top of it. I don't care. I do not care. These people will take advantage of you. If
I
they see
think
you got money, they're gonna take advantage of you. Nah, hell,
you look at people that have millions of dollars. I know that's not a million is not much now as it used to be, but if you look at people that have gained wealth in real life, they're very tight with their money.
Oh yeah.
Like the average person. I'm not talking about Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, but
The
they're like,
average person would spend whatever.
no, I mean the average like 60-year-old millionaire
Yeah,
got that way because they were very diligent with their funds,
yeah, yeah,
more than likely. You know
yeah.
what I mean? Unless they got, I don't know, an inheritance. Most of those people lose money fast. People that build wealth, they are very diligent. They're very organized with where every penny goes.
All right, guys. You see what happens, fellas? That's why I don't listen to nobody that tells me to go. I don't know why people tell other people, other traders how to trade or, what to do. This is the reason why I don't listen to, you know, sorry trade works, but you were wrong, man. Um, if I would have gotten into that trade, I would have been stopped out already. That's the reason why I don't follow people. I don't need to. I know what to look for. I know. I don't listen to people, guys. I do my own trading. I listen to my own stuff. I don't need, you know, anything else. Like I said, I was looking for shorts. Yeah, we did have a little thing going up, but not a next leg up. If you're looking at the stochastics, you would understand. That's why I said I don't care about the MACD right now. It's not relative to me. I'm just paying attention to the stochastics because everything is already to its top. Um, so that's why I chose to go just with that indicator first. Um, once it starts cooling off on the stochastics, guys, then I start moving over to MACD, and then I start doing what I need to. But yeah, looks like I'm gonna look for a reversal to the upside. But first, I'm just gonna wait till we actually hit some kind of bottom, or if we do see some kind of reversal on the stochastics. I'm your new follower. Well, thanks, Henry. Really appreciate it, brother.
What are you up to now, man?
1,893 effing dollars, guys. It is that simple. You do not have to go all out on this stuff, fellas. Just pay attention to your indicators, pay attention to everything. Get you a nice setup, guys, and you're good to go. I'm gonna wait for a reversal to the upside. I know there's a lag. There's a lag somewhere. There's a lag somewhere, guys, but um, on these indicators, there's a lag. I would say you would have to wait till the timing goes to look at the next see what's going on with the next thing because it's not it doesn't move as the candles are moving, this doesn't move. So thanks for sharing the live, brother. Thanks for sharing the live. Much needed, much love, much everything. I need that community, brother. Um but yeah, fellas, I let's see what happens with the stochastics. Right now we are coming back down, so I want to see what happens if we come up and go short again. Um, these are all the trades that I took before. So let's hold on, I gotta look at Weeble right quick. So we are hitting that 50. Let's see what happens, guys, because at this moment right now, anything can happen. They are in here, guys. They are in here. They know what they're doing. I don't like messing with it whenever institutions jump in and stuff like that because they'll give you an FU candle real quick.
Seems like Fridays are their day to do that.
Seems like what?
Seems like on Fridays, man, people just like to play with the market,
Yeah.
you know, the manipulators and the makers. It's like you said before, they kind of make money by Thursday and Friday they're on the yacht somewhere or they're
Yeah, yeah.
playing, you know, just puppeteering it.
Oh yeah. That's the 15-minute, guys. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait for the stochastics to come back around and then I'll hop on in. But I wanna see a higher low real quick. So I'm just gonna wait. Once I start seeing a higher low, then I will get into a long position. So maybe like this, boom, something like this. Could be there, could not, I don't know. But we could also come back down to, huh. All right, let's see what happens. Once I start seeing the stochastics cross over again, then I'm going to go into a long position, fellas. But that was a good trade all the way from here, guys, all the way down here. That was a nice trade. What indicator are you using? I use MACD and stochastics. I use other ones too. I use EMAs and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a reversal. Waiting on those stochastics to pop on up, guys. And I'm looking for a higher low real quick. Something like that. If it is there, I don't know if it's gonna be there, or somewhere down here. I don't know. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. We're coming back down to this zone on the 60. Let me go to the 60, guys. We're coming back down. Well, it's on this one. So we're coming back down in this zone. Sorry about this black space there. I can't do nothing about it. I don't know how to fix that, but sorry. But here we're coming back down to the zone, maybe to this 50. We might come back to this 50. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it and put a buy on there. Oh, that's for NQ. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Not for NQ. So that's at 27.75. 2027.75. So it's a little, it's right about here. See what happens, guys. It might just keep bouncing off this 7. There is a sweet spot between the on the 5 minute. There's a sweet spot between the what do you call it? Not the 5 on the 3 minute. There's a sweet spot between the 7 and the 21. So watch out for that. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. We are consolidating. So we have consolidation right here, a zone. We're creating a zone now. So let's see if it actually keeps this zone. We got 4 seconds and then we'll be able to see what's going on. All right, so Stochastics did switch already. I'm just gonna wait for a little small pullback, possibly down here, and I'll get into a long position, guys. If we get it all the way down here. We might even just drop below that, but who knows? I just never know. Hold on, somebody said something. I can't read that. Sorry. What is, let's see the chat. Oh, that's you? Okay. Okay, there we go. Nice. Awesome, man. Appreciate it, brother. Nice, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, guys. So we are flipping over. I'm gonna wait for a small pullback and then try to get into some long positions. Um, looks like we can go back all the way to the top to 200, but I'm not too sure. Anything can happen, guys. Or they can just send a FU candle and they just take us out. So let's see what happens, fellas. I do want to get this buy right here. That's what I'm waiting on. Come on. Give me a good push down. I don't want to catch the tops either, guys. That's one of the thing. I don't want to catch the top of a range. This is like a little small breakout kind of thing, and then it comes back in here, and then it does a little thing, and then it bounces back up. But we can get the top, or you can just scalp, guys. You can be scalping this. I'm gonna go ahead and just get in just because. I'm gonna go ahead just because. I know it might come down here, but I'm just gonna get in. See what happens, fellas. I might be wrong, I might be right, I don't know.
Something to 240.
240 is still, I mean, it's still is there. I need to finish the Miata so that way I can, get my hands on the 240 and try to, you know, if I need to have a drivable, uh,
Daily.
yeah, a drivable daily before I even start on the 240. Because it took me, so since I was in the military, um, active duty and at Fort Campbell, I didn't have no time to do anything whatsoever. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, and I was touching that Miata. I had a daily and I was touching that Miata and I didn't even finish that Miata. I didn't even have it driving for 2 years. Yeah. So,
That's a long time to wait for your ROI.
hmm
Oh, man. That's nice. It's a good feeling when you get that first bill from your cell phone company after you paid your phone off.
Yeah, I remember that, man.
It's rare. And of course, it's time for a new phone.
I need to get me a new one, man. Mine is like the charger on the bottom can't even hold it. I'm getting out of that one, guys. I'm out. I'm out of one position just in case, guys, because I don't want this to reverse and give me an FU candle. So, see, that's what I'm talking about. We might get another second leg down though. So, yep. I'm just going to watch it closely, guys. I'm not going to make any sudden movements just yet. If I have to, I will get out, but I'm going to get out above this level here. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna make any movements just yet. Let's see what happens here, guys. If it breaks this, guys, and we go lower, then I'll just wait for the next one to add a position in. I'm not in a rush today, guys. I'm already up $1,800. I don't need to get dirty with this. All right, let's see where's the next level I can enter at. I need to. That's the second leg down. I need to find the next level I can get into this, guys. It's going to touch that 50. I'm going to put a second one here. And then I'm going to put a third one as it keeps going down. It looks like we might go down to 900 possibly, but not before we get a pullback though. It's crazy, man. They run this thing up early in the morning and then they just drop it down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sure do.
I'm just
Very
gonna
volatile.
I'm just gonna hold this, guys. I'm not going anywhere.
Usually end of day, same thing.
Yeah.
Shoot that shit up.
I'm looking at a wick at 122.20, guys. I will be staying in this position till then. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm not gonna go anywhere, guys. I'm gonna look for that next reversal again, and then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go into another contract, but I'm gonna hold this because I see a wick all the way up to 122.20. So that needs to be taken out, fellas. 122.20. Where is it at? Right here. 122. Yeah, 122.20, guys. It's right here.
Wait for it.
So we have this range here, this zone, and we have this zone here that is consolidating again. So just depending on what happens here, if we do get a consolidation here, then we might get another third leg down. Um, but if not, we can come up here and then just consolidate here again and then bounce back up. But yeah, we have, how much do we have on this 30? Looking on that 30, we have 17 minutes till this. I want to see what this next candle does in 17 minutes, guys. I want to see what that next candle does in 17 minutes. Let's look at the 10-minute. We got 7 minutes on here. We got 7 minutes and 27 seconds on the 10-minute. So I want to see what happens to that. We got 2 minutes for the 5. I want to see it close above this zone here though in 2 minutes. If it does, I don't know if it will or not. Come on. All right, Sarcastics does cross over now, so damn it, I should have gotten in. Sometimes, guys, you got to risk it for the biscuit, man.
It's a great Friday.
Yeah, risk it for the biscuit. I need to put that. I need to put a title for that, man.
I know. I like that one.
Let's see if we actually go through this, guys, because I don't know. I want to see this come all the way back up, at least above here, so that way I know that I can recover um, where I entered. Do I think price will bounce off of where? I think price will come back up here. Yeah, I think so. Um, it really just depends. I mean, there's really no telling, but yeah, there's really no telling. I mean, it really just depends on what they're doing, you know? I mean, I can see it going up there. Do a trick on it. Those sarcastics are pointing up, guys, so we just need that push. We need these buyers to come in. Um, that's all we need, guys. We just need that push. Or unless they're going to give us an FU candle, and then bring this thing down again. But I do see, oh, I didn't even see there is a wick all the way down to 481.21, guys. So I would be very careful about that. I would be very careful about that. Just watch it. Sarcastics archive. So yeah, I can see it going up, bouncing off of let's say bouncing off somewhere here and then coming back down again, possibly. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that's just a maybe, guys. So I'm not gonna get greedy on this one, guys. I'm just gonna get out. Maybe if I hit like 20 bucks or something, I might just get out. I don't want to hold. I don't want to hold two contracts. Let's see. Let's get a little more. Let's get a little more. Come on. Just a little more. A little more. Come on, push. We need that push. Sarcastics are going up. MACD crossover. I want it to go all the way to this 50 on the 3 minute. It would be I think the 21. Yeah. So I wanted to go to 133.09 on the 1 minute. 133.09, guys. 133.09. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of one, fellas. All right, guys. Hold on, give me 1 second. Ready, ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm out. Wait. Yes. $2,000. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Oh man. I want to thank me for you know.
Coming out
This
I mean, showing up, that's half the battle right there. So congratulations.
is MNQ. This is MNQ, fellas. All right, so what I'm going to be looking for now is I'm going to be looking for a reversal, but not until we get up somewhere up here, guys. Not until we get up somewhere up here. So I'm looking at maybe 244, 244.50, guys. 244.50. Possibly. I don't know, fellas. I don't know nothing. Maybe. I don't know if it'll reach up there. It could. They could get nasty with it, but I don't know. I'm just gonna wait, fellas. Sarcastic still crossed over. I'm just gonna catch little scalps here. Um, I'm just gonna catch little scalps here if I can. We still have that wick at 121.43 that still needs to fill. 122.20, guys. Still, I believe we still need to fill up. But also too, if you're looking at the downside, I can still see it going down to 27.75. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm at 2019. We're at the top of this range, fellas. Be careful here. If you do want to catch something, catch it at the bottom of the range. So I would go right here, or actually right there. If you do catch anything, guys, but we are coming back up. Let's look at the 30. I can see all this being taken out too. Let's be careful about this one. Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's be careful about that one. Big moves like that, I don't like messing with, so I'm gonna be careful, guys. If you're looking at the 2 hour, guys, we're still on an uptrend, and on the 4 hour. Um, so just pay attention to those. Um, Pay attention to that 10 minute. We want to see a reversal on the 10 minute and on that 5. So let's just wait and see what happens, fellas. I'm gonna go ahead and as soon as it comes down here, if it does come down here, I'm gonna get in, or we can just get in early and just wait for that big, you know, selling a Discord. I just came from a guy who was basically gambling, selling a Discord. Oh, did he lose? We can get another second leg down, guys, so just be careful, fellas. I want to catch little small what do you call it? Scalps. That's it. 2026, guys. 2026, fellas. I'm not trying to catch every play either, you know. I'm just trying to get scalps here and there. I make about in one day I average about 80 80 trades, guys. Yeah. I do about 80 trades, guys. Like whenever I get off, I still continue to work, so I just get off so I can pay attention. So I can concentrate better. If not, if I had a whole community and I had subscribers and stuff, then yeah, I would stay on probably from 9 till 5, but I'm just getting started, guys. So let's just wait, see what happens, fellas. I do want to see a higher high or a higher low, if that's what y'all call it. I don't know. Something like I'd say something like this. What do you see in the stock world, Q? You're investing in anything?
Keep eyes on Amazon. Some of the holiday season stuff coming up. I'm sure you saw where the strike is postponed until I think January 15th.
Uh,
So the dock workers are, we're not going to have the stores like everybody freaked out. pouring all the damn water and toilet paper again. We're gonna be good, but retailers like Amazon, I guess they're gonna add 250,000 to the workforce for the holidays.
Yeah.
They're seeing a, and we're seeing a surge this morning. They had a huge volume spike up. Some of the Chinese markets still had a great week. I stayed in Baba all week.
Mm-hmm.
That's I keep my eyes on people all the time.
Damn, look at all this action, man. Looks like we're coming back down that 2802, guys. 2802. I'd be careful. I'd be careful here. I want to see a higher low or a lower, whatever this is here. Whatever y'all call it. I don't know. Let's see what we do, guys. I might go in just for a little small scalp right quick, but I'm not sure. This thing is just so delayed, man. You can't really tell. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. See if we can actually hold this. If we can't hold it, we get a second leg down. If we can, then we're good. We're getting that. Let's see if we can get a bounce off this signal line. Like this. Boom, and then come up. I don't know. We still have that wick at 122.20, guys. So I'd be careful in this area, fellas. I'd be careful, guys. I'd be careful. Yeah, man. You know the seafood festival's down here, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be packed, brother. It's gonna be. I'm watching my algo trading Sunday evening. I gotcha. Yeah, man. They have. I think it's yeah. It's this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I believe. I don't know if it's gonna be raining or not though those days. I didn't even. I don't even check the weather, brother. I just go outside and I'm just like, man, looks good. You're watching your algo trading Sunday. Now, I was showing people how to do a trading bot, but I don't think a lot of people were interested, so I stopped doing it. All right, let's see what we do, fellas. We do have a zone at 481.23 on the QQQ, so I would like to see what happens there. We did have a bounce off of this signal line or off of this 50 EMA, which would be the 21 on the EMAs, and on the 5 minute should be the 7. Yep, the 7 right here. Um, let's see if it goes any lower than that, fellas. I don't want to risk anything right now. Yep, getting a second leg down, guys. Second leg down. All the way back down to whatever I said earlier. I don't remember anymore. Oh, where was that? Once I see the stochastics cross over again, guys, I'm gonna go into a long position. Um, I'm just gonna wait right now, guys. I'm gonna wait for that second leg down, see what happens. Probably get it right here. Oh, okay. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me see. What are we looking at right now? Oh, damn it. Sorry, fellas. Let me look for that thing again. If we go. There we go. I don't see nothing yet, fella. I still see this going down, but I'm not going to enter a position because, you know, it looks like we are at the bottom of this range here. Looks like we are starting to consolidate around this area. Um, but I just want to wait. Yeah, this is futures. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till we come down here and what was that I said? I said 481.23 on the QQQs. I want to see if it actually does go down there. Um, and then I'm gonna enter into a long position there to that bottom side, guys. But first I want to wait for it to go back down to 481.26, 23, and then see if we can catch a long position. I'm watching the stochastics very closely, guys. I want to see a bounce off the I'm not going to say it. What is that? What is that word? I want to see a bounce off the slow line and on the stochastics. I want to see the fast line bouncing off the slow line on the I don't even remember. I don't even know. All right, let's see what we do, guys. Let's see if we actually get a bounce off of this. Okay, I'm about to make a move, fellas. About to make a move. We got 52 seconds for the next candle to this is MNQ or NQ. I mean, yeah, I do NQs too, you know. This is NQ right here. But I mean, all right, guys. So when the stochastics cross over, I will be entering into a long position, and I'm looking at 120, 160, 180, 200. This might even be just a one-sided day, guys. So everything I say does not mean that it's going to go there. So I am up $2,026. Let's see who's on here. Who else is on here? All right, so the stochastics are coming. It seems like it wants to come up, but I'm just going to wait for it to ride this 21. See if we can get another leg down. I want it to be as far down as possible so that way when the stochastics do get at its lowest, I can jump in at its lowest. And we do have a, sorry, I can't fix that, guys, but we do have a zone right here, guys. We have a zone right here. So I'm watching those carefully as well. And that's, I think this right here for QQQs would be the bottom. This right here. So that's 972.75, guys. And possibly I'm looking for an entry at 949.25. 949.25. So hold on, give me 1 second. 949.25. That'll be here. Buy. Right there, guys. $949.25, guys. See what happens with the stochastics real quick. Thanks for the follow, Ryan. Greatly appreciate it, brother. Um, we got 26 seconds. I want to see what happens in 26 seconds. Let's see what happens with the MACD and the stochastics. Um, these things are so delayed, man. I can't see every time it moves, it just doesn't move. So we have to wait 10 seconds. And we pretty much missed a play. If they do crossover right here, we pretty much missed this play. We didn't miss the play, but we're going to be entering late though to go to the upside. Okay, so they did cross just now. I'm going to wait for a little small pullback. and then I'll be getting into a long position. And then I'll have one set up here and I'll have one set here, just in case, guys. I'm gonna wait for a small pullback. Come on. Come on, just give me another one. Come on. I don't want to get at the top of this range just yet, guys. So I'll have this position open and then I'll have this one open, guys. See that? I should have just put it there. It's all right, guys. It's all right. I'll have this one open and I'll have this one open just in case it does come dropping down here. I know there's a zone down here, so I'll have this one prepared. Hopefully this is not a one-sided day, man. You know, a lot of times that happen. Do you use the slow stochastics? No, I don't. Well, hold on. Which one is it? It's just the regular one. It's just the regular one. All it says on NinjaTrader is stochastics. That's it. So we have the stochastics crossover, the MACD crossed over. So I could have waited to get down here. I should have set one down here, but sometimes if you don't set it, like if you just if you don't set if you set a play here, it might not even reach it, you know, and then you'll miss that move up. All right, so we are getting some pressure here. Let's see if it follows through. I might just make this a quick scalp. Sometimes if you're looking at the stochastics, guys, sometimes it'll just make a little small move and the stochastics will already be to its top. So um, you have to be quick with this stuff, guys. You have to be quick. Let's see, the master say anything today? I know he typed in some things.
Yeah, I put something in the that's in the chat. The stream.
Yeah, nice, nice. I wish they could see that. Hold on. Let me see if I can copy this. Hold on. Am I allowed to put this up? Did the master say we could?
Some of it, yeah.
Okay. Let's see if I can copy this, guys. Nope, I can't copy it. No, can't copy it. I wish I could copy it, man. That'd be nice. Yeah, I can't copy it. Man, if only TikTok was able to see this stuff.
Yeah. Can't copy it from your own stream chat.
Nope. It's all right. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out some other time. All right, guys. So I'm looking at a level at 120, 140, 160, 180. I don't know if it'll reach up there. Oh, I mean, I can read it to y'all. I can read it to you. All right. So see what's going on. After the Labor Department reported a gain of 254,000 jobs in September and a decline in the unemployment rate of 4.1%, traders of futures that settle to the Fed's policy rate all but abandoned bets that the U.S. Central Bank will follow its half-point reduction last month with any more like-sized moves. And then the expectation now would be for a Federal Reserve that what treads uh, far more cautiously in easing policy, said Carl, whatever his name is, chief market strategist for Corpay. Rate futures are now pricing in quarter point reductions at each of the next Fed meeting through the middle of next year, bringing the policy rate down to around 3.25 to 3.5%. The policy rate is currently at 4.75% and 5.0 range. And Fed's Goldsby said there are some signs that inflation might undershoot target. So that's a little info. Just a little something something.
Little snippet.
Yeah. All right, guys, watch for those long positions, guys. That's what I'm just gonna hold this, fellas. I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna hold one. I'm just gonna hold one, and then if it does come down, if we do get an FU candle, I'm gonna have another position in here, guys. So I'm gonna hold on to this, guys. I do see a level at 120, so I'm not scared.
Thanks.
I'm not scared. What am I in? I'm in MNQs. I'm trying to make it as realistic as possible for y'all because I know a lot of people, when they come in this especially beginners, when they come in this, they don't realize that, how easy it is to lose money, and if you don't, you have, if you have about $100, or let's say 200, 250, $500, and you get in right now and you hold this, that's a very bad idea, guys. If you get in with that, just a little bit amount of money, just don't even do it. Just if you're going to, just get in and get out. Make those $6. Make about 100 trades, guys, with $6 each trade, and you'll be golden. You'll be fine. It's all about taking in Benjamins, baby. Greetings from Australia. Hey, what's going on, Softman25? Is it Australia? Is that what I'm thinking? Is AUS?
Yeah, that's Australia.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, guys. Puts. No, I would say calls. I would say calls, guys. And I would set the calls for like a week out just in case. I will set the calls for a week out just in case. Like I said, I do see a zone at, what was it? 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 on this. So if you're looking up here, guys, I'm looking at this zone here. 120, 120, 40, 60, 80, all the way up to 200, guys. Let's see if this actually holds up, man. And this is the part right here, guys. If you're in a trade like this, and it just starts to consolidate, guys, just take your money. Take your money. Don't be that person. Just take it. Because you will never know if what we're looking at right now is this right here, and then it just bounces all the way down. You know? Like, just take your money. If you don't know what you're looking for, take your money. Like I said, I have this position and I'm gonna hold it, and I have this secondary one right here just in case, and then I'm gonna hold that one too. But I do see those levels at top on the top, guys. So just take y'all's money, guys. It's not. Could be Austria, but yeah. Hold on, let's check out, see what's going on the higher time frames, guys, because all right, so yeah, we are above the MACDs on higher time frames, so that to me is telling me we're wedging up. Um, so let's just see what happens, guys. When we are on higher time frames, guys, when we are above MACD levels, guys, on higher time frames, I'm not talking about lower, but on higher, we're usually wedging up. It does work with lower time frames, but you have to be quick with it. Guys, I will be getting off here at 10:55. It's my usual time. that I usually get off. So until I have a really big community, I will not stay on here from 9 to 5 or 9 to 4. That's just, I have to have I need to have a community so that way I can share my skills, to, that community, and I will be doing a $10 or not $10. I'll be doing a 10.99 fee for those that want to subscribe to this free stuff, and I'll have like a 1 day kind of free day, But right now everything's free right now, guys, so but I like I said, I do see levels up here. So just keep an eye on that. Watch for any resistance up here, guys. And if we do get a pullback, be careful. Um, but yeah, fellas, I mean that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see what we do. If I reach to about 50, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna move up higher. There we go. Pretty sure we're gonna move up higher, guys, but I made enough today. I don't need to go over I'm at 2076 with 50 cents, guys. I don't need to do anymore. But that is it for me, fellas. Like I said, guys, we're looking at a higher time frame, fellas. Let's see. Looking at this right now, we still can cover to the downside, guys. Um, let's look at the 30 right quick. This will tell us a little bit more. If and when this MACD on the 30, or if you go on the 15 or on the 10, guys, if they start like this right here, um, if they cross over, you need to look for that support to the downside. It'll start once it switches here. So you get a wedge up. Once it switches, you need to start looking for shorts, but you need to look for a resistance level up here. Um, it's very hard to explain, guys. Like it really is. Like like it's just really hard to explain. I would have to do this every single day. Like seriously, in order to understand what I'm doing. Um, I don't know how else to explain it, guys. Y'all just have to be here every single day to understand. But I would look for zones to the top, and I would look for places at the bottom, possibly for next week. I don't know. We are having some consolidation here, guys, so be aware of your higher time frames, guys. We have consolidation there. We have consolidation here. Be aware of this zone. You have to take everything in consideration, guys. You have to. Like, if you're looking at the stochastics now, I do have different settings than what everybody else does. And if you're looking at the stochastics, just know that if we do come down, look at the stochastics and then look at lower time frames, check that out, check the MACD, see where you're at, check your EMA, see where you're at there, then make a decision. Do you have a course to teach? No, I don't. I don't have courses, fellas. I'm not going to sell no course. Well, I don't know. That's still up for like, but realistically, guys, y'all don't need a course for this stuff, guys. Just go to YouTube, look up fair value gaps, look up MACDs, look at stochastics, look up time frames, look up uh candle formations, look up all this stuff, guys. I know some of this stuff like um it's not all perfect. What they don't tell you is to change your settings. Like I told one of the guys up here, I said, I told Maya, I was like, y'all, what y'all need to do is go to Wikipedia, look up the MACDs, and look up every single indicator, read about it, and you'll make changes. Make changes on your MACDs, guys. All right, because everybody's using, they know that people are using the same 12, what is it, 12, 26, and 9?
So.
Yeah, so they know that you are using that and they're going to take advantage of that. So just switch your settings, guys. I perfected mine. I know what I have, so I'm not going to be disclosing that, guys, but yeah, guys, just Pay attention to everything, guys. Um, that's all I can say. I don't know. I'm just a regular guy. I'm not, I don't know everything. I don't know everything. I just perfected my stuff.
Just a regular guy.
So we have in middle of the range right here, guys. So I would wait to get back in here, guys. I would wait to get here for a long position if it does come back down here. But if it don't, then you can get in early. You'll be at the top, but you'll also probably be taken out because this thing can reach up here to its top and then fall right back down. So you have to be careful on where you're placing your trades. You have to be careful on where you're placing your trades, guys. So let's see if we break out of this zone right here. If we break out of here, then we're good to move up. But I would wait. I would wait, guys. It's because Stochastics did cross over on the 1 minute, so I'd be careful right now, just in case, guys, because this stuff is delayed. So, I mean, I do have a Discord. I don't use it. I don't know how to use it, guys. And to be honest with you, having a Discord ain't going to really help, with anything. I mean, it's just Discord, you can talk about things and stuff like that. I really, after I get off of streaming, guys, I do my own work and I focus on NQs and I just scalp. That's where I make more money. But I really don't have, I really don't use Discord that much, guys. I do have it. It is Man Many Trades if you do want to, jump in there. But there is nothing. What is M2s? You know, M2s? I have no idea. All right, guys. So,
It's a classification of money supply.
all right, guys. So, let's see. Let's see if we get a bounce off the slow. This what is it? The slow line. The D is the slow line. The yellow is the fast line. Let's see if we get a bounce off of that, and the Stochastics keeps coming down, guys. Then we're gonna have a reversal. Um, nice. Hell yeah, brother. So, all right, guys. So I have about 4 minutes, fellas, and then I'll be getting off, guys. But yeah, guys, look for that 120 range, 140, 160, 180. Yeah, yeah, I'm here every day. Usually every day I'm usually here. If I'm not here, it's because it's really important. There's something important that I have going on. Like I said, guys, just watch for that upside movement. Just wait for a pullback if you have to. Look at your stochastics, look at your EMA, see where you're at, and then make a decision based off that. I'm not going to enter here, guys, because we are at the top of the range. And if we break out, I want to see a retest of this. Or we can just get in here right now, Or we can just do that. I mean, it is what it is, guys. It's not hard. It's not hard. All right, I'm out. All right. All right, guys. I got about 3 minutes and that's it, guys. I'm not gonna do anything else. But good stuff, fellas. Good stuff. It's not hard. It's not hard. Once you learn how to I don't know what strategy this is. I just look for how would you say it? I just look for confirmations basically.
indicators.
Yeah, I use the indicators and I use confirmations of those indicators for me to enter into a trade. I do see, like I said, I do see that 120, 140, 160, 180, that 200 to the upside. I do see that. I'm not saying that it will go up there, but I am well aware of those zones. So just be careful, fellas. Um, let me see. If it does come down here, guys, I'll be entering at 80.25 to the downside, but I'll be entering long positions to go up. Or it can just ride on this 7. All right, Sarcastics looks like it wants to cross over, so I would be careful here, guys. We could be having a reversal, just depending on what happens with the MACD. If the MACD does go below 0, guys, then go ahead and look for shorts. All right, fellas, I got one more minute. That is it for me today. I am up 2,000 with $83 and 0 effing cents. I will be I'll be working after this either way, guys. But good stuff, guys. I hope you are profitable today. Um, if y'all want to, y'all can go on my Facebook and follow me there. It would be very appreciative if I can get followers on Facebook. It's Man of Many Trades, uh, all one word with the Z at the end. I really need those guys so that way I can also use Facebook so I can stream on there. That would be greatly appreciated, fellas. But I hope y'all end up being profitable today and enjoy your weekend, fellas. I will talk to y'all Monday. All right, guys. I'll check y'all out later.